Apoyo duogo ichato wilwa noro mede kede rongewa. Ngata chungo ne mon dededeme district mekalaki i parliament honorable Jennifer Ayo en orogabo pads ne anyira dededate somo class mekanyare district mekalaki pitamo gwoko chilogi digiti karme tuo due. Dodi program noni honorable Ayo te chako isukulume Otuboi Township Primary School. Emuodu what erimo sikelone wa ruonge kede tuto.
Ngata chungo ne mon i district mekalaki aloto i parliament honorable Jennifer Ayo enoro ga bone anyira somi class mekanyare me district aloto pads arabo gi megi arotero gwoko kede chilo komgi kagiti kareme tuo due. Dodi ero gabone anyira orotero tuno tutumia chiel itol kany dedede district aloto. Dodi etechako program ma gabume pads nogi isukulume Otuboi Township Primary School.
After you've seen it is clean, dry it under sunshine. Don't wait and iron it. You will spoil it. It will not finish for you a year. So make sure it is clean and you dry it where? Under sunshine. After it has dried well. Actually, from morning as you are going to school, you go and pick it in the evening. Or you tell mommy to pick it if rain comes so that you're able to use it the next day. This is the love that I have for you. This is how much I want to see you comfortable in class, and this is how much I want you successful in life.
Wonadanya madek me Otuboi Moses Oriada eno kwa opocha duong sana but honorable Jennifer Ayo pitwero gabone anyira pads i district mekalaki aloto.
It's not easy to get an MP who comes back to talk to pupils and local people like her. It's in record. Very few people do it, not so? Yes. All those last years you have been at school, did any woman member of parliament come here talking to you? No. That is a record. We appreciate you. Also go and tell your father. Two, these days, for me from childhood, I had never gotten an MP who would think about bringing tents for things. That you see these days, you have a function, you have a wedding, a burial. Tents are there. She has even had